I'm Aman Juneja, last year student and TNP coordinator, Training and Placement Coordinator for ICA department. I'm here to shed some of the light on ICA department. So let me start by appreciating the faculties which help us grow every day. The faculties of our ICA department focuses on practical as well as theoretical knowledge for each and every student. So the project for these students, that is OEP. OEP is our open-ended project, as well as modeling and demonstration and presentation of these projects start from first year itself. The focus on the learning of the software, that is which are the basic software, are Multisim and LabVIEW are basically covered right from the first year, which enhances and develop skills of the student in the field of RIC, instrumentation and control. The internship, which plays a vital role in the practical knowledge building as well as resume building, which is used for job recruitment process. In the span of 4 years, many industries right from GNFC to GFL and Deepak Phenolics to system engineer, all of them are basically covered in internships by our ICA department. All of them are equally helpful for improving and enhancing the practical knowledge build of each and every student present in this department. And since I'm in Training and Placement department, so let me start off by saying the names of the companies which come in our department. LMAX, Jacobs, Deepak Phenolics, L&T Power are some of the frequent visitors out of many of the list of the companies which come in the selecting of student in our department for job recruitment. So the department also helps in improving aptitude, as well as it takes frequent mock interviews, that is GD and PI. GD and PI are basically group discussion and person interviews, which are of utmost importance in our campus or job recruitment. And the faculties also create a virtual environment so that they could show how these things or how situations are dealt in pressure at the time of the interviews or at the time of job recruitment. So in short, ICA department could be the answer for your growth of your career right from the start of the college and building of your practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge in our life.